Libby being goofy, throwing snow at everybody. Hey, you're night-night.
Sitting in the dang
Snow.
Oh.
Yeah, she ain't right. Yeah, it's cold. We survived the blizzard of 2014. This is what we got to show for it right there.
It's so cold it makes your brain freeze.
Yeah. Our future of America right there, people. I blame the Chester County school system. Anyway.
That's what you get for making me go there.
There's the lake. You look at the boats. Boats are froze. Got about 1.5 inches of dusting last night.
Multi-attack. She's throwing ice at me.
She is. We'll throw some back at her. Boats are froze over. Look at all the ice in the boat. Scott, your boat's got about 500 pounds. Those are geese. Oh no, that right there.
I went over the tree the other way.
That way, yeah, those are geese. That right there, those are seagulls. I saw those. Got a big old lake of ice in the boat this morning. It's right now, it's about 23, 24 degrees out here. Around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But as you can see, got plenty of ice and a light dusting of snow, which is about half melted off now from the sunlight, but still nice, still nice. It's going to get down in the low teens, somewhere around 12, 13 degrees a night, so all this, the lake will probably freeze about half of it. Get her, Mama, get her, Mama. Get her. Oh, right there.
I'm protecting the brain.
Oh no.
Yay. The child is seriously women.
Yeah, these are the two women in my life. Now you know why things are crazy around the house. Attacked me. They attacked me for no reason. Oh my God. Look at it. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hit your ma on the butt. Yeah. The snow is almost so cold it won't pack into a snowball. It's powdery. You can see, looking down here, you got in the tracks. Rabbit running in the snow. Looks like a fox is trailing behind him here somewhere. Rabbit tracks. I don't know if you see them too well on video.
Hey, Daddy! Oh! That was out of my shirt. She got me in my ear and down my shirt.
How did she? You got an ear muff on? How to get
I know, but she got in my ear.
You know?
In my ear. Best aim ever.
You gonna let your mom get away with that?
Yep.
So you walking that way? All right. Look at the rabbit where the rabbit left the trail.
That's cold. Oh, you're so in for it.
All right. I'm gonna cut the video off for right now.